Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our channel TubeCore. And in this video we are going to talk about this upcoming product called profitforce. Now this product is supposed to be launched in the next week of July. I don't know the date, maybe 13 or 12. Now this is a profitforce review. Okay, and at the top it says brand new profit system for 2021. Unlock the simple copy and paste blueprint that forces $334 into our accounts in 23 seconds flat. Okay, now just get the concept here, just get the this is a red flag. Your mind should be thinking right now. You should have some thoughts, some questions should be in your mind by now with this statement saying that forces 334 into our accounts in 23 seconds. Two things you need to justify to me. So hey, product owner, justify two things to me. Justify this amount 334 and justify 23 seconds to me. So how did you dare to say that you will make 334? Why can't just prove this number to me? How 334? Why is it not 134, 254, 1 whatever? How did you get this calculation? Prove it to me. Show me how much you made. Show me how much you invested and how much profit did you make. So first of all, any website which shows you a number at the top and says this will you will make this kind of money, or they claim that this is making them money, that website is a total scam. Okay, so right off the bat, this product is a scam. You will lose your money. All right, now I'll prove this to you, okay, in a moment. So you make sure you stick till the end of the video, okay? Otherwise, if you want to lose your money, go ahead and buy it. I don't care, okay? Before we start the video, let's go through some disclaimers. First disclaimer is secret is out. In order to make money online, you need to stop wasting money online. Stop buying these products. If you think you will make money online by buying such thing, you will get broke, okay? You will only lose your money. So stop wasting your money. Stop losing your money. This channel is all about saving you money, okay? So don't buy it. Second disclaimer is the concept of bonuses is exposed. Stop wasting money by saying some bonuses. Don't be greedy, okay? So do not buy something just because somebody's giving you some crap bonuses. We'll talk about the bonuses in the end. And the last option is, or the option I want you to do is subscribe to this channel, because this channel is going to save you thousands of dollars every month, okay? Because if you do not watch our videos, you watch videos from other affiliates on YouTube, you will end up buying crap, which means you will keep losing your money in the coming future, okay? So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, okay? And press that bell notification, do comment, everything is free. Subscribe, comment, like, everything is free, so do that, all right? Now let's get back to the website and let's expose them. So, okay. So if this system, 334 into your account, I can agree, okay? You might be making this kind of money, I agree with that. But the problem for me is if you're making $334, maybe even in the whole day, forget about these 23 seconds. Even if you're making 334 in 24 hours, then make it. Why are you here? Why are you begging people to buy the product in $7.95? You see here, so this is profitforce, and they're selling the upfront cost. They're selling this product at $8. And they're giving 100% commission, okay? So let's say if I choose to decide to promote their product, I will get $8 for selling one copy. So mostly on Warrior Plus, they pay you 50% commission, but this product is giving you 100% commission. So if somebody, if I decide to buy, promote this product, and if you buy from me, I'll get paid $7.95, okay? Obviously, I'm not going to promote this product, you know that, right? So you will not find the link of this product in my video, so don't worry. But the concept here is that these people are pushing or attracting affiliates to promote this product as much possible. So if you find other affiliates on YouTube, they surely will promote the product because they are going to get 100% commission. And once you get into the product, it's not like that they will stop here. They'll suck you into some upgrades, because you can see here they will make you pay 27 bucks. They'll make you pay 17, 37. It will not stop, okay? So they will not stop at $8. They want more money from you, okay? So First of all, if somebody is making 334, they don't need to come on Warrior Plus to list their cheap product and claim that you will make money with that, okay? Stop teaching me how to make money online. I don't want you to teach people how to make money. Stop it. Just enough of it, okay? Now, okay, first of all, here, what this is all about. Now, this says unlock your autopilot profit force A to Z blueprint, 100% absolute beginner friendly, copy and paste him. If that was so simple, you would have been a billionaire by now, okay? So don't give me that crap. Triple thread autopilot, traffic source autopilot. Yeah, Facebook, Twitter, spam them, that's autopilot, okay? Fast results, everything you need to succeed. Everything is included, you know, either 365-day money-back guarantee, 4 steps, you buy the product. Okay, they say you have 4 steps here, but they only show 3, okay? Maybe 4. Yeah, there's 4th. Rinse and repeat. So get the copy, put in your links, and then buy. So this is training course, right? So they have not launched any demo video so far because this product is still, I think, maybe in you know, what we say, in getting ready. So this will be launched in next week, and that's why they don't have a demo video. Otherwise I would have shown you. So there's no demo video. I'm just going through the review using their sales website, okay? Now this is all the crap you can see here, all these, you know, features which you will see. You will get rich, you will lose your, I mean, you will quit your job. So if you actually buy the product, you might end up losing your job. So don't lose your job. If you're working somewhere, keep working. That's how you make money. That's real life. Don't, you know, get fooled by these people. They give you all the crap all the time. You will never make any money. So let me tell you what this product is all about. This is a training course, okay? So once you get into the course, if you buy it, you will get into the dashboard, and there they will have some video lectures scrapping you about how to choose the product, you know, how to make sales pages, how to and from where to get traffic. This is a training course which you're gonna get from inside the dashboard. And for God's sake, don't buy this, okay? Stop buying such crap products, because you need to avoid people teaching you how to make money online, okay? I have told you many times in my videos, there's nothing on the internet which can help you to make money online unless you have some skills in yourself, okay? If you don't know what to do, then nobody else is going to do it for you, okay? So if you want to make money online, there are 2 ways you can make money online. Make YouTube videos, okay? For anything. Make YouTube videos for while cooking, while, you know, playing with your dog, while playing with your cat, while making review videos, do anything. Make YouTube videos and grow your channel. Eventually you'll make some money, okay? If you can't do that, then write some blogs, write some content, have your own website, to start your e-commerce, do something, okay? Unless you do not have, so you have to first of all ask this question to yourself, what can you do, okay? Can you make YouTube videos? Can you do, you know, articles? Can you do, you know, something online? So grow your skill, find out what you are good at, what is your expertise, and once you master the skill, then go ahead and start your own online business. Do not depend on somebody else to teach you how to make money online, all right? This thing is not gonna make you money online. You will just left broke, okay? Don't buy this crap. If you want to start your own website, you can find a link in the description below. Once you click on the link in the description, that will take you to this website called hostpresser.com. Now, why are you going to click on the link? Because if you are trying to start a new blog or a new, you know, website, as a newbie, you should avoid paying for hosting services monthly, okay? So if you're, you know, talking about big names like GoDaddy or Namecheap or Bluehost or Dreamhost, they charge you somewhere around $10 to $15 per month, okay? So in the beginning, as a newbie, you should avoid that cost, okay? If you want to start a blog, you should avoid that cost, because you're not gonna make money until 6 months or 1 year, okay? So in that case, what you can do is you can buy the unlimited hosting in one-time cost, which means that you don't have to pay every month for hosting services. You can get your blogs and domains live as when you get free SSL certificate as well. You can see here. So you can grab this hosting at one-time cost. You can absolutely check out this thing. The link is in the description, and that is how you can start your blog and website, okay? Again, just to recap, let me give you actually bonuses here as well before we recap. So in the beginning, I was talking about some bonuses that if you go onto YouTube, people will actually, crap you about $10,000 bonus, or maybe $50,000 bonus, or this bonus, that bonus. So don't fall for the crap, because nobody is putting money into your bank account, okay? Bonus is something which is actually supposed to get credited into your bank account as a liquid cash, but nobody does that, all right? So you are not going to get any money into your bank account. If somebody gives you $10,000 bonus, $20,000 bonus, it's all brainwashed. Don't fall for that shit. I'll give you unlimited bonuses here. You go to this website called itplr.com, you type that in, you will see these free products here. Click on free ebooks, free software, free videos, and this and that, and whatever you want from here, you can get it for free, and even you can resell it, or you can use it as a lead magnet. Okay, so if you see the softwares here with the master resale rights, so you can actually resell them at a, at a cost, and you can make some money. All right, otherwise you can give it to your email subscribers as a lead magnet for free. All right, so this is the website you can get unlimited bonuses from. Don't fall for other affiliates selling you other scam products and asking you to buy from their link because they have some bonuses. No, you will never make any money unless you do not have some skills. Okay, do not depend on somebody else to give you a magical system which will make money for you. That's not gonna happen. It's never gonna happen. Okay, nobody else can make money for you. So stop losing money online. Subscribe to this channel, watch our videos, like the video, and we will see you shortly with the next video. Thank you.